Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. So are you planning to buy a zoom lens? If not, then see this lens performance and you will surely change your mind. I am capturing this from the zoom lens at a distance of 5 foot. I am capturing this from the zoom lens at a distance of 10 foot. I am capturing this from the zoom lens at a distance of 15 foot. So the lens is a 20x telephoto zoom lens and it is being sold by the Apexel brand. The key features are, it has no black circles, made from metal and can provide high definition image. Now let us unbox it and see what all things we get inside the box. The first thing you will get is a user manual. Then we will get a microfiber cloth. Then we will get a nice carry case pouch which is quite long enough. Then we will get a rubber eyepiece. We will also get a universal metal clip. And finally we will get a zoom lens. On the front side we will get a professional lens cap which reminds me of Apexel 60x telephoto zoom lens. And we also see a lens cap on the rear side. On the lens you will find only one ring which is used for focus. You will not get a zoom out and zoom in ring as it's a fixed 20x zoom lens. Talking about the build quality, it is made up of metal body and HD quality optical glass. You can also use this lens as a telescope by attaching the eyepiece. Attaching the lens clip is very easy. You first need to rotate clockwise and your lens is ready to use. I am capturing this pigeon by using the 20x lens and the pigeon is approximately 15 foot far from us. The lens is best for capturing bird photography, sports, live events and many more. I will be making a separate video where I will be testing its zoom range. Talking about the output, I found it's giving a good result. If you are looking for a less zoom lens, I will highly recommend this lens for you, as the price is also very competitive. If you have liked this video, kindly do subscribe my channel and also share with your friends. Thank you.